Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you the second project that I made using this Welcome Fall 48-page mega pad from Carta Bella. So this was really pretty fall themed paper, and I used the majority of the 48 pad plus some of the 12 by 12 like journaling card cut apart pages. This is an album. It's kind of chunky. I should have done ½ an inch between each page, so it is definitely kind of chunky. I'm glad I included closures on this. This one is double matted, so I did make it using medium weight chipboard, and I covered it in white cardstock. My pages are made out of white cardstock as well. And then I just went ahead and matted everything on black cardstock, so it kind of pops a little bit more. It does take quite a bit more effort, obviously, to double mat everything like this, but sometimes it is quite worth it. So these flowers are made using the Spellbinders Cinch and Go Poinsettia dies, and then I just used some stamens that I had in my collection. These are actually the enamel dots from the Welcome Fall collection from Carta Bella. So this one will be going up on my Etsy shop, and you will be getting, there's some extra base flowers, the remainder of the enamel dots. There's a couple pieces of paper. There's some of the other cut aparts, the tags and frames ephemera, some white and black cardstock. I mentioned that. So I will include all of that with it as well. So the spine I kept simple, and this is just a piece of the cardstock from the 6x6 collection. And then this, I don't know if you can actually see the texture on it, but the 12 by 12 sheets were textured. So this is one that I just cut apart. So there are some of these left that will be in the package if you decide to purchase this from my Etsy shop. And then the back of it is I just left very, very plain. So this measures 6.5 by 6 1/4. So that's why we have these thin strips of gold foil, just so that we could, elongate the paper a bit. So this has 4 signatures in it. They're kind of full, and they are pocket pages, so there are inserts for each one. So let's go ahead and open this up. And this is just some ribbon that I had in my stash. I want to say I think it's from Stampin' Up! So when you first open this up, this is one of the 3x4 journaling cards. It is kind of textured. I have used these throughout, as well as the 4x6 journaling cards as well. So this is magnetized, and you flip it up, you have this space. You have this space underneath it, obviously. And then this is just a scallop punch from We Are Memory Keepers. And then this is one of the 6x4 journaling cards, and another one. And then this pops up like this. This is open, so you can still tuck in here if you so desire. And then again, another one of the journaling cards. And then this is just kind of plain, but this is open, so you can tuck within here if you want. This is one of the tags and frames ephemera. And then this opens up, and I did use one of the We Are Memory Keepers crocodiles, corner chompers, I can't remember what they're called, but I used one of those on that. And then this opens up, and again, I've tried to leave all of these as open as possible. And then this here is only glued in the center, so you should be able to mat your photos on every one of these. And then every page has one of these inserts, so plenty of space there. And then when you go to the back of the first page, this is another one of the 3x4 cut-aparts. This one says, life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. And then we can open this up, and this can be tucked into. This can be tucked up under, and then that's tuckable. We've got a pocket, and we have some inserts. So I made some tags out of some of the leftover paper. We have some of the 3x4s, and this one is a 4x6. So these helped add some of the bulk. This one says, I love fall most of all. This one's really pretty, and again, it's still textured. So, and then this is a tuck space, so you can still tuck there. Tuck. And then I left this frame open, so you can actually tuck a photo in there, and you can tuck under here as well if you want. And then here you have this tuck space as well, so you can mat something here. And then we have another one of those. This page is just plain, so it's just a pocket. And I did use, so this here is one of the We Are Memory Keepers edge punches. And then we have a 4x6 that says leaves are falling, autumn is calling. We have two of the 3x4. This says give thanks always and fall is the best season. And then we have just some basic tags that I made, again using just scraps that I had left over. So this page, this flips up, and most of these are all magnetized, so they will stay closed relatively well. Again, it's a very chunky album, so anyway, so this flips up. This says autumn days are here, enjoy each day. And then you have this space here. This flips this way. You have a mat. You have another mat here. And then you have a mat here. And then this space here is nice and open to put a larger photo on if you so desire. And again, they're magnetized. And then another one of our mats in our large pocket. This one is a 3x4 journaling card again. It says farm fresh pumpkin patch, apples, cider, and hay rides. Open daily, pick your own, 5 cents per pound. Oh, those were the days. And then on the back side, it just says hello fall, and you have this space here. And when you flip it over, you have more space here, and then space here. And then you have another fairly decent sized pocket that has more inserts in it. And this here is open, so if you wanted to tuck something here, you could do that as well. So this one just says hello fall, so this one's like a 5x4. And then we have two of the 3x4s. This is a tag from the Tags and Frames ephemera pack. This was also from that pack. It says life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. And then we have a couple of tags. Fall is the best time of the year, and I loved how well this went with this paper. And then we have this, and again, it's open, so you should be able to do some tucking there if you want. And this is open as well, so you can tuck under there with a photo if you want to. This is corner chopped as well. And then these pages are fairly open. You just have these little tuck spots here. And one more, so lots of space. And then we have another decent pocket here. And this again is edged using one of the We Are Memory Keepers edge punches. It says, "Hello Fall, it is so good to see you." So that's a 4x6 journaling card. And then we have some tags. And then this says, "Happy Fall, I've missed you." It opens up. We have another tuck space, another tuck space, and then this pops open. And you have all of this space here. So this is a very chunky album. So lots and lots of real estate space for photos, and I tried to leave it quite open as well for journaling. So there's a lot of spaces that are kind of interchangeable that you can use for journaling or photos, or, you know, matting something else there entirely. So I hope you enjoyed this album. I had a lot of fun making this one. I loved this paper. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And again, don't forget, this will be going up on my Etsy shop soon. Thanks everyone.